Your business can now enable a free Zoom integration through Vagaro. Use Zoom to stay connected with your customers.
Offer your customers a personalized consultation, teach a virtual class, or provide a complimentary live stream when they purchase a product from you. These are all great ways for you to make an income without you or your customers having to leave their home.
To activate the Zoom integration, go to the settings page and click on integrations under add-ons from your desktop. Once your Zoom account is established, you're ready to start streaming services or classes. To create a class for Livestream, you can add or edit a class right on the calendar page. When you open class details, you'll see an option for in-house capacity or Livestream capacity. In-house capacity means the number of students allowed to attend in person, and Livestream capacity means the number of students allowed to attend your class virtually.
By entering in the number of attendees in the Livestream capacity, you activate the Livestream option for this class. Mixing and matching these capacities allows you to offer in-person classes, Livestream-only classes, or hybrid Livestream with in-person classes.
To begin live streaming your class, click the class appointment on the calendar page and hit Start Class Livestream Video.
Customers can join Livestream in many ways. Appointment reminders by email, text, or push notification will all have a button asking the customer to join the live stream.
And on the customer's appointment page, there will be a button on the live appointment to join the live stream.
Thanks for watching this video on Vagaro's integration with Zoom. For more information about this feature, visit the link in the description of this video.
For more information about Vagaro, the online booking and payment processing system, visit us at sales.vagaro.com. I'm Kat, that's Kevon, and we'll see you guys later.